Boss, set to say, wow, come need this.
Yes.
Abranteno
matters of the hotel.
Oh, training Ankasa.
Okay.
Abranteni Jesse number, Anna Abekamis, and Jesse number of Becho has to folk. Sure. Sebibia, sa na omuko bisa. Eko bisa say Jesse number way. Or no, or sha. Na operations in the casa, yes, sir. Set to say, we Jesse number 17.
Jesse number 17. Set to say, one of the best. Sure. Ewe Kruma.
Boss, Mammy Faway and chat one I am quag man so. Boss has a PRO air wine
or Pariado.
As I know could PRO your wine.
Cotomono, so you crack on communicating a quack on need that coin. Yeah.
Boss exclusively the American can say official as Sandy Kotoko ebe appointed PRO and Casa.
Okay.
80 during Sandy Kotoko games before the games. Onu never promo. Okay. Around see family better in Akasa.
Okay.
80 and first round corner we know. As I know, ebe appointed officially on be appointed
communication director.
Sunday mensaka Asante Kotoko team sheeter coach Eddie Akotere akwasi apiase we na mede ko na osusu say
line up ogumde kobo
sure ba minim say ebianam de tu edwa na manfo akwatichiri bi mu ana.
Oh, for tuja. Ana
boss go post no obi anim say Frederick Asare nebeda. Well, shit na me sakan Mohamed Kamara.
Hey,
ai
Kamara nebeda.
Ai.
Latest awon sakan.
Latest am say kan no.
Etire ho
no obo 4. Lodamwa ebebo 2. Na Patrick Esiedo abo 3. Samba O'Neil.
Samba.
Any Joseph Abolo.
4 and 5. Etire wo
Justice Blake be jino manim. Baba Yaya.
Okay.
Ebe jina ni fashion so. Emmanuel Entry as better say.
Okay.
Any more 3. Saka Dauda on the left. Albert Amwa in the middle. Then Fernando Wisdom Bassi.
Kai. Su.
Sir, Akwesi Pia. Emma green light na.
Line up in
Asante Kotoko starting line up. We know the Bebo Sandy.
The two. Ya toso wa nyame ya duma Akwesi Adam. Asante Kotoko has to folk ewo baba yara. Endra ena eye media meet the press eba so Kotoko players, Kotoko supporters, Kotoko coach, technical team Asian Central for Prosper Nate Ogum. Head coach Edema Sante Kotoko. And we share Central for on the preparation Kotoko at the room on Sunday.
Yeah, I think the mentality at training with the boys, technical staff, everybody is very positive. We are very poised. Tactically, we are approaching the game based on how we've seen them play, especially in their away games. But then, if you look at games between Kotoko and Hasselhoff, normally the dynamics are different. So what I want to tell you is that we are very hopeful as a technical staff, as a playing body. The players are prepared physically, tactically, psychologically. They are prepared for the game. I think we only have to be to take notice of how they play and then try to make sure that their strengths we counteract it and their weakness we take advantage of it. We just have to train based on what we've seen them play and then
where some prosper na tokum either to just say am I ready tactically, mentally, physically omo trying as a folk. What the message way am I Sante Kotoko supporters and nyame ya duma Akwesi Ada was seremo obehiamo emu game no more day because has the folk afa form or Sante Kotoko supporters obehiamo Akwesi Ada
come in their numbers to come and support us. We are playing at home and it's a big game and the biggest game of the season. We all know the dynamics that go into games between Kotoko and Hasselhoff. So we need them. We want to see the whole place filled with red colors, singing, drumming, dancing, supporting us. And then, as I always say, in the game, you will not have it good throughout the 90 minutes. Some moments within the game, I mean, there will be, we may go down in terms of our level of performance. I mean, performance cannot be consistent throughout the 90 minutes. If you are lucky, it will be. In the moments that we go down within the 90 minutes, they have to try as much as possible to make sure that they support us. When I say go down, I mean in terms of our performance, sometimes you see that energy levels will drop. So when the energy levels drop and then they begin to make certain few errors, they shouldn't be ranting at them, they shouldn't be hooting at them, they shouldn't be booing at them. But like we see in Europe, where we watch these matches on DSTV and what have you, they still support them. And that is what we want. We want the 12th player to take advantage of. As a team, we are prepared psychologically, physically, tactically, we are ready. But then we will be more ready if they come and supporters.
Yes, we are some prosper na to gum eda to just say, "Oh my ready there." But omba more ready. Wabra Kotoko supporters. My baba yarama. Na me ya duma etina Friday and a Hearts Kotoko and so many press conference. Na